Hey, what's up, guys? So my name is Gissela, and welcome to Cooking with Gissela. Alright, so the first thing, so I'm going to teach you guys how to make a healthy meal when you're hungry as shit and you want to eat something, but like this is something healthy though. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need is oikos. So this is like a healthier brand, has 0% fat, and just got the plain vanilla one. And then you're gonna need Natural Valley protein, oats, and honey. This one's so good. Gotta get this one. And then just some fruits. I just got some strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries. And I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this before, but you know, this shit's good, so I'm just trying to make a video. It's fucking good. It's fucking good. You guys can also get other healthier choices, like the soy one. Ooh, yeah, look at that chunkiness. Yes, so just serve how much you're gonna eat. So I'm a little bit hungry, so I'm just gonna eat maybe a little bit more than that. Guys, gotta hear that. Yes. Yes. Alright, so we're done with that. Now I'm just gonna add some oats. So these come in like in fat pieces, so I'm just gonna break them up. Like so. One more. Those ones are already small. Maybe two more. And then now I'm just gonna add my little fruits. So I'm gonna add my blueberries first. Raspberries. Oh wait, those are blueberries. These are raspberries. And some strawberries that I haven't cut, so. No, that's gross. I'm gonna go get a knife. Back with the knife. I just don't want to like waste these because I don't want to wash them because I'm lazy. Just put those in there. Honestly, just needed one strawberry. Always be there. And voila! That's it. Let me show you guys the final product. That shit looks delicious. I bet you want to eat that right now. Alright, well that's the end of this Cooking with Gissela. So like and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos. Alright, bye.